In a world where everyone is talking, few are truly listening. In a world where notification steals your attention and every opinion demands a response, focus has become a rare treasure. It is easy to get lost in the noise, to feel like every voices around you are louder than the vision within you. But here's the truth: focus is not about the absence of noise, it is about learning to tune it out. You shut out distractions when you choose what matters and let go of what does not. When you decide that not every call needs an answer, not every fight needs your energy, and not every trend deserves your attention. Sometimes focus is found in silence. Sometimes it is found in saying no more often than you say yes. So stay focused, stay true, keep your head up, stay anchored to your purpose, and to remember the world will always have noise, but the ones who rise are the ones who learn to hear their own voice above it all. So learn to hear your voice above the noises around you. Your time is coming. For more beautiful content as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, drop a comment for me, and share with your friends. Thank you.